Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing a tutorial on a spring design that I created. I will be sharing the colors that I used and how I created the design. So here you can see I'm going in with the purple and then just dabbing it with the acetone with my nail art brush. So you just want to have any flat or liner brush, whatever your preference is, and you want to work the acetone into each color. In between each color, I did do the green first, then I cured it, take it out, and then I went in with the purple. And then after I get the look that I'm going for, you want to just go ahead and cure that so it doesn't interfere with the following color on top. So now I'm going in with the pink. It doesn't have to be perfect, but here I'm going in with the liner brush to kind of just create some lines and in the direction that I want them. And then right after, I'm going to go ahead and go with the acetone and blur some of those lines out. Okay, so here I'm going in with a little bit more pink and I'm just literally dabbing my brush into the acetone, back in the color, and then right onto the nail just to add more color. And then I did add some butterflies to the top, and then I will be doing twinkles all over all of the nails. Using my dotting tool, I'm just placing little white dots everywhere where I want my main twinkles to be. And then you'll see me going in there with my liner brush. And then from the center out, I'm going to be creating the little twinkles. So you just want to bring from the center out very fine lines without dragging too much color out. And then if you don't have enough in the center, you just want to dip it real quick in the white and then start again from the center out the little thin fine lines, just so you can get like a perfect twinkle effect without smudging the little dot in the middle. And it is very easy and it looks super cute, but it does take some time to perfect the little twinkles. So depending on the size, you can do big ones, little ones, whatever look you're trying to go for. All right, so now that I've done all the twinkles on all of the nails, I'm going back in with my dotting tool just to add little accent white dots all over the nails. Once I cure that, then I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the design with some top coat. I'm using my Bioseaweed non-wipe top coat to finish it off. It is going to be a glossy finish, and that's going to be the end of my video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you guys have any questions about the products or Bioseaweed in general, about the polish, go ahead and leave them down below. If you have any suggestions on videos you guys would like for me to do, go ahead and leave it in the comment section as well. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thank you guys.